In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a hedge trimmer, a battery powered hedge trimmer. Rear handle spotted 45 degrees. This thing has an adjustable handle to go 45. And looking at the side here, you got a 2.8 amp battery. This thing weighs 3.2 kg. It is a cordless, so no plugging in for this. It's a 20 volt lithium ion, 3 to 5 hours to charge it. And I think that's it. By the way, I did open it up and kind of look at this thing because I wanted to see what all was in there. So opening up the box here, you're going to get this is the charger, and it's just the basic kind of slide-in charger right here. And then the battery that you get with it kind of looks something like a DeWalt battery, but this is the company LIGO. And then it does have it. You can see we are fully charged here. You mash down on that. Let's just go ahead and take the unit out. So there's the unit, and we'll toss the box aside. This thing looks awesome. Look at this thing. Doesn't it look mean? It has a cover on it there. All right, so we'll take these boxes, set them aside here. We don't need all the boxes. Looking over the instructions, you know what? You get, I don't know what this thing is. So what is this? This must be... There's some hardware, so you do get a little bit of hardware. Oh, I bet you that's for the handle to go. Yeah, just like that. So the handle drops down in there like that. Wow, look at this. It's in 5 languages. So let's go ahead and look over the instructions, see what this thing is, and then if we mount this thing down. Okay, looking over it here, it looks like you get 4 screws with it, and 2 of the screws are going to go right here in this thing, and that's to keep, you know, leaves or anything from flying back on you, and 2 of the screws are going here. So let me get a Phillips head screwdriver and let's put this thing together. All right, I went ahead. So the smaller screw seems to go on this bottom piece, and then the larger screw goes up here on this one. And just looking over the unit, this is like a safety handle right here, and then this can go like 90 degrees or 45. Like, look at the difference in angles that you can do this in. So that way you hold it like this and you could still operate the trigger, or you can hold it straight down like that. So this has a rotating handle on it that can go like left or right, changing like that. So take this cover off right here. Oh, that sounds like unsheathing a sword right there. These blades look really good. And you do want to oil these blades from time to time, apparently. So we just put the battery on. Let's go ahead and see how this thing works. So hold this down and then just pull the trigger. Ooh, that thing sounds great. Let's go over to some little bushes I have over here on the side, and let's see if we can cut them down. This thing works flawlessly. And I'm cutting like some big brushes here. This is not like a bunch of little leaves. Yeah, this is not going to be like a commercial. You're not going to be able to do like a whole like commercial unit, but I can't. This is perfect for just like small home uses, like what I'm using it for here. This is going to do me great. Those blades are sharp. This is working just as good as my little Black & Decker Power like corded one. I don't see an issue with this at all. So everybody, I will be using this off and on. I'll be using this throughout the rest of the season and into next year, and I will do a follow-up video and see how this thing's still holding up, because right now it seems pretty much perfect. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the LIGO hedge trimmer, battery-powered hedge trimmer. See you guys in the next video. Woo!